My dear friends, welcome to Next Heart Tutorials. Now the formula number 4 is COUNTIF. COUNTIF, which gives a range and criteria and to count how many people are there with respect to this following criteria. So now our criteria is something like number of cities below 10 lakhs labor. So if we want to calculate for number of cities below 10 lakh labor males, okay, so we will write labor males, and we have to calculate how many cities are there for which it is 1 lakh labors below. Okay, so we have to define it like COUNTIF. Which data area we need to specify is B12 to B21. B12 to B21. So write it like B12 B12 to B21. And what should be the criteria? It should be less than 1 lakh, 10 lakh men who could be and let's hit enter. So to activate this we need to put equal to sign. There came 28. 28 is something like different answer. B12 to D21 it gone. B12 to D21. So 28 such cities were there with having below 1 lakh dollars, 1 lakh male members. So let us calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 it has come. So for how it took 4 extra how it took B12 to D21. B12 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yeah, exactly. Yes, now see from B12 to D21 how many cities less than 10 lakhs people is this many. Like this. So now we have to get a little more technical, like number of cities above 8,000 females teachers. You know the formula for teachers, number of cities above 8,000 female teachers. Formula needs to be E section. We need to modify it. E and E from E12 to E21. And the range should be above 8,000. Right? Now activate the formula. It came 2. So see how many people are more than 8,000? 1, 2 only. Very Very good. Now we will see number of cities below 400 males jamindars. For jamindars, what is the jamindar male section? So we have to calculate F. This is jamindar's male section, and modify the formula with respect to it. So F12, F21, and you will see what is our criteria. 400, below 400. So for below 400 you should say like this, 4, and put the equal to sign to activate the formula. 6 members. Below 400 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it has come. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, jamindars males we have to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So below 400 is there. So 400 is not taken. So if a 400 has to be taken, then we should say equal to sign also. See the formula now. F12 to F21, F12 to F21 less than or equal to 400. So 7 such cities are there having 7 male jamindars who are actually less than 400. 7 such cities. So now you have already got the formula for COUNTIF. Practice it, and do subscribe our channel. Next tutorials with kind regards to Exceljet and Microsoft. Thank you.